Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are continuing on with Sample Exam 2 and we are in Project 6. So as always you will get your files in the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So the file we have open today is medicine.xlsx. So I'm in the file there now. So question 1 is search for strepsils in the worksheet and replace with lozenges. So the first thing we need to do is I can see I have one strepsil here, so I should get one in my answer. I should have one replacement. So what I do is I go to find and select, replace. In find what, I type in strepsil, so just bear with me while I type that in, and in the replacement I type in lozenges and watch the spelling, and then I click on replace all, and you can see there now we've one replacement. Okay. Question 2 is to apply orange data bar gradient fill conditional formatting to column B. So I click on the letter B, so highlight column B, go to conditional formatting, data bars, and under gradient fill we want orange data bar, so I click on that. Okay. Question 3 is to customize the quick access ribbon so it's below the toolbar. So here's my quick access ribbon. So I click on my arrow and I click on show below the ribbon. Okay. The next question then is to perform a change in the workbook view. So you change the settings to page layout. So you go to view and page layout. Then question 5 is to save the spreadsheet as a PDF file named health and you save it to your desktop. So I go to file. I go to save as. I navigate to my desktop, so just bear with me while I do that. I type in health and I change this to PDF. So just change this to PDF, so just bear with me and click on save. And now that's now saved to my desktop. So that's brilliant. That's Sample Exam 2, Project 6 completed. And we will see you shortly on Sample Exam 2, Project 7. Thanks for watching and take care.